Whoa. Look what I just found inside the sun here, guys. Whoa. Look at this out. Look what I just got from the sun. Whoa. Wow, that's amazing. We're gonna have good luck for the rest of our lives, man. Wow. That is amazing. Look what we got from the sun. Wow. No, it wants it back. No, 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 no. Wow. All right, that's it. We got to take it and run. Got it. We got it. We got it. All right, we took it from the sun. Look what we just got from the sun. All right, we got to get out of here so it doesn't take. Hello, my friends, and welcome back. So today we are checking out this pendant. So let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like inside the box. So right away, inside the box is another box. And this is actually a much nicer box. Check this out. Cool little designs on it. So pull this up. Ooh. All right, that's a nice, feels like velvet inside. Nice little box. So let's go ahead and open up, show you guys what this pendant looks like. It is suitable for men and women. Oh, that's pretty cool. So, if you guys can see, I'll show you guys outside then. But as you can see, it's a green pendant. So it is suitable for men and women. There are beads on it. Looks like it is adjustable, so you can make it tighter if you need to. Oh, that's actually really easy adjustable. So look at this, we can really make this wide. All right, guys, so we got it on. It's actually was really nice. This is actually the perfect length. I like that a lot. That is actually pretty cool. I don't know. All my stresses are going into the pendant and they are leaving. Not a care in the world. And what's nice is it's actually rope around here. So the pendant is attached and wrapped around with this rope. And guys, so this is actually called a Moldavite, which is very interesting. You know, I didn't know much about them, but if you do, I don't want to give too much away, but check them out. They're actually pretty cool. I personally like it as a necklace, and definitely it's got this green tint to it. It goes good with brown clothing like our pants. So, and the strap is brown, which goes really nice together. All right, guys, as you can see, as we step outside, you can see it better in the daylight now. Definitely super bright out here. We're gonna get some really cool footage for y'all. But yeah, I like it. So guys, goes great with our outfit. I absolutely love it. So let's go ahead here.